Well, now that the pump is running, it looks like I definitely have enough water. It's up halfway on the skimmers, so I can't see any reason why I shouldn't be able to open them. I was going to wait till tomorrow to do that, but if I could get this filtering, I'd get it looking better sooner. So let's do it. Oddly, before I started filling the pool, this skimmer was devoid of water. That's a little disconcerting, but it's got water in it. We got to remove these guys. These screw in. Bubbles, that's good. And this one had water in it. So I don't know what that was about. Any day. There he goes. Good. Now I need the baskets. I'll just put those in. We'll head back over to the pump. Okay, we're ready. I'm going to do the east skimmer first because that has a longer line than the west. So we'll open it a smidge. Look at that air already. Who knows if these valves even seal completely? I think she's plumb empty now. If I shut it, can it pull? Pulling something. Yeah, it's filling. She's picking up. We'll let it get a nice charge on it. And open it a crack again. And out the water goes. They make this real easy, don't they? Now, could I open this up, open both the skimmer lines, valves, and fill it with the hose and sort of let it backfeed the lines? Maybe. Oh, see, we're getting water again. Yeah, it's pouring in. It's picking up. There she goes. Probably going to get more air once it pulls enough water. And some more. Oh yeah. Good looking stuff. There we go. Open her right up. Let's see what we get this time. Water is moving. Oh, looks like we've opened the east skimmer. That was fairly painless. Wow, look. No bubbles in there. Now that we have adequate flow, I was exactly right. Let me see if I can zoom you right in on that. I cannot see the screen here. So that's about the best you're going to get. But yeah, that looks good. I'll come back over this way a little and do the same for the west, because what else are you going to do, right? Open a smidge. It's got some air. Open a little more. There he goes. The sun is coming out. Wow, look at that. Maybe it's going to be a nice day after all. We have water moving. Slow, but it's moving. It's picking up. There she goes, starting to fill up. That's it. That looks good. Give her full boat. I expect we're going to be good because we have both the main drain and one skimmer open already. Oh yeah, she's taking it. She's taking it. A little rough, but she's taking it. There we go. No air whatsoever. There's bubbles coming in, as you would expect, because we introduced a lot of air. West skimmer, doing just fine. East skimmer, doing just fine. That was absolutely painless. Why was it so easy? Wow. That's something for a change. I think we got some tree junk in this. Ooh, that's cold. Yeah, not much, but it's all that red tree shit. Yeah, that's going to be clogging these up in short order, I am sure. But the skimmers are up and running, and that means that I can now get the filter running as well and put in shock. I'm going to do the shock first so as not to shock the filter, because that only makes sense. So that was it. Part 8 of opening the pool, opening the skimmers. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.